How to recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. Let's get started. Launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the menu option. Now click on the option settings. Now head over to the option privacy and safety. Click on the option end-to-end encrypted chats. Click on message storage. Make sure you have enabled for the option turn on secure storage. Once you do that, you can head back. Now you will need to scroll down and navigate to this section Account Center. Then click on the option Your Information and Permissions. Click on the option Download Your Information. Click on the option Download or Transfer Information. Click on Specific Types of Information. Now from here you can check in for the option Messages. Likewise, you're gonna get different option. If you wanna download any of these, you can check in for it and click on Next. Click on Download to Device. Click on Date Range and select it. Select the format, likewise media quality. And then click on Create Files. And just with that, you have requested to download the file. That will include all the end-to-end encrypted chats. Once the file is ready, you'll be notified. You can launch that file, download it. That file will include all the end-to-end encrypted chats. So this way you can recover end-to-end encrypted chats on Messenger. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.